Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're diving into the complex world of computerized maintenance management systems. We'll explore the key factors to consider when choosing a computerized maintenance management system for your business, discuss important features, and even give you a rundown of the top 10 providers. So, whether you're a small organization or a large enterprise, stay tuned as we navigate the computerized maintenance management system landscape together. When it's time to choose your computerized maintenance management system, there are three key factors to consider: how well it fits with your business, the resources it requires, and its potential for growth. Let's start with the company fit. If you're a small organization, you might need a simple software solution without all the fancy extras. But if you're expecting rapid growth, you'll want a computerized maintenance management system solution that can scale quickly and easily. For larger companies with multiple facilities, a more sophisticated, proven solution that can easily integrate with other business systems might be the best fit. Next, consider the resources required. The initial cost of a computerized maintenance management system is important, but don't forget to consider the ongoing costs like training, upgrades, or subscription costs. Make sure your organization can handle not only the purchasing and implementation, but also the ongoing tasks necessary to maximize the features of the chosen computerized maintenance management system. Finally, evaluate the computerized maintenance management system for its ability to grow with your organization. Cloud-based technology is the future of this software, as well as mobile functionality. Make sure your chosen solution provider is ready to keep you up to date in terms of the technology itself. So, what are the most important features of a computerized maintenance management system? Well, the list includes effective management of work orders, inventory, vendors, and assets, as well as the ability to provide analytics, mobility, and scanning capabilities. Work orders can be automatically scheduled, accessed, and tracked through a computerized maintenance management system, providing both technicians and management a comprehensive record of maintenance work completed and scheduled. A computerized maintenance management system can also help a facility keep track of expensive tools when they are used by multiple technicians, follow inventory through a work process, and manage contractor agreements and payments effectively. You'll also want to make sure your chosen computerized maintenance management system provides easy-to-read analytics reports so you can periodically evaluate key performance indicators. Moreover, your computerized maintenance management system should be accessible with mobile technology so your service technicians have the same information when they are out in the field and can easily record their work and findings right back into the centralized system. Integration of barcoding or RFID scanning technology is also an important computerized maintenance management system feature, allowing you to quickly and accurately tag and scan assets and inventory data. Now, let's take a look at the 10 best computerized maintenance management system providers. First up, we have Upkeep. This computerized maintenance management system solution ranks among the top maintenance packages for its functionality, customer support, and ease of use. Next, there's eMaint. This software's strength is in its ability to connect data, teams, and systems. Then we have Dude Solutions. With its suite of cloud-based applications, Dude Solutions centralizes maintenance requests, creates schedules, automated workflows, and generates reports for manufacturers, distributors, and warehouse centers. Fourth on our list is FMX. This configurable, computerized maintenance management system helps companies streamline their work processes and increase the productivity of their assets. Then there's Maintenance Connection. This cloud-based computerized maintenance management system offers an on-premise hosting option, giving a wide variety of businesses and industries access to this maintenance management solution. Next up is Fix. By organizing maintenance data, this web-based computerized maintenance management system solution can help businesses move from a reactive maintenance mindset to a more preventive one. Seventh on our list is Limble. This computerized maintenance management system is cloud-based and includes preventive maintenance, work order management, and asset organization features. Then there's Hippo. This intuitive, easy-to-use computerized maintenance management system solution provides plenty of onboarding and ongoing training so that implementation is relatively fast and simple. Ninth on our list is MaintainX. As a mobile-based computerized maintenance management system solution, MaintainX helps technicians know exactly what they need to do to complete their work orders and how to complete their tasks. And finally, we have MicroMain. This computerized maintenance management system/EAM solution helps businesses increase the life of their equipment, better manage work orders, and generate custom reports. Each of these providers has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your company's needs and resources. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the world of computerized maintenance management system. We've discussed the key factors to consider when choosing a computerized maintenance management system, its important features, and the top providers in the field. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com.